What is Printify? Printify is a print-on-demand (POD) platform that serves as a powerful tool for entrepreneurs, artists, and small businesses looking to sell custom merchandise without the hassle of managing inventory, production, or shipping logistics. Founded in 2015, Printify connects users with a global network of print providers, enabling them to create and sell a wide variety of products, including clothing, accessories, home decor, and more. The platform operates on a drop-shipping model, meaning that once a customer places an order, Printify automatically processes the order, prints the design on the chosen product, and ships it directly to the customer. This eliminates the need for users to hold any physical inventory, making it a low-risk and scalable option for those looking to enter the e-commerce space. Ease of use. One of Printify's biggest selling points is its ease of use, making it accessible even for those with limited technical expertise. The platform offers an intuitive mock-up generator, which allows users to create product designs visually. This tool is particularly user-friendly, enabling you to upload your designs, position them on products, and preview how they will look before listing them for sale. The drag-and-drop interface requires no coding or graphic design experience, making it straightforward for beginners. Additionally, Printify integrates seamlessly with several major e-commerce platforms, including Shopify, Etsy, WooCommerce, and more. This integration allows for easy synchronization of products, orders, and inventory, streamlining the entire process from product creation to order fulfillment. For those new to the platform, Printify provides a guided setup process, which walks you through the steps of connecting your store, creating products, and managing orders. There are also extensive resources available in their help center, including tutorials, FAQs, and customer support, making it easy to troubleshoot any issues that may arise. Who is Printify suitable for? Printify is particularly well suited for a diverse range of users, from independent artists to established online stores looking to diversify their product offerings. For entrepreneurs and small business owners, Printify provides a cost-effective way to test new product ideas without the financial risk associated with traditional manufacturing and inventory management. Because you only pay for products when a sale is made, there's no need for upfront investment in stock, making it a low-risk venture. Printify x Adidas. The partnership between Printify and Adidas is a significant development, offering users the opportunity to sell custom-branded Adidas products through the Printify platform. This collaboration is particularly appealing for those who want to leverage the prestige and recognition of the Adidas brand to attract more customers and boost sales. Adidas is a globally recognized brand known for its high-quality sportswear and apparel, and by partnering with Printify, sellers can now offer custom-designed Adidas products without needing to hold any inventory. However, there are specific guidelines and restrictions that users must follow when selling Adidas products on Printify. For instance, while you are allowed to use the Adidas brand name in your product listings, you are not permitted to use the Adidas logo or any other trademarked elements in your designs. This means that while you can offer customized Adidas products, the customization must be limited to your own original designs, and you cannot incorporate any Adidas branding into the design itself. This ensures that the products comply with intellectual property laws and do not mislead customers into thinking they are purchasing officially branded Adidas merchandise. The range of Adidas products available through Printify includes items like the Adidas Unisex Fleece Joggers, which you can customize with your own designs and sell through your online store.